Welcome back to Tech by Nirbhay. So in this video we will see top amazing 5 features or shortcuts of Microsoft PowerToys. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, but before starting the video, first of all you need to install an application from Microsoft Store, that is Microsoft PowerToys. So you can install this application. Okay, once installed, so it will look like something this. Okay, so first shortcut, that is always on top. So for this you need to come in that application and you need to just toggle it to on. Okay, for enable always on top. So what actually it will do, suppose I have this Excel sheet opened. Okay, and now I am using calculator. Okay, so whenever I am clicking somewhere anywhere on this Excel sheet, then that calculator is going away from my screen. Okay, now suppose I want this calculator always on the top of the screen, no matter what, wherever I click on the screen. So to do this, we need to simply hit Windows Ctrl and T. As you can see, now if I click somewhere in Excel sheet, then it will be always on top. And to again undo it, again click Windows Ctrl and T. Now if I click, it will go away. Second shortcut, suppose you want to extract text from images. Okay, so for this, first of all, go in your PowerToys application, scroll down and you will find this text extractor. Okay, so if it was disabled, just enable it. Okay, and the shortcut key for that was Windows Shift and T. Okay, suppose if now here only I want to copy this text, it is recommended to use this snipping tool something. Okay, as you can see, if I am trying to just select it, it is not selectable. Okay, now I want to copy it. So what I will do, I will simply hit Windows and Shift and T. So now I can simply copy all the things. Now it is got copied. If I open my notepad, I can simply paste that things. Now you can see same thing has been pasted. Okay. Third shortcut, that is power rename. Okay. So if it is turned off, just again toggle it on. Okay. In this, suppose I have multiple files present in my folder. Okay. Now I want to rename them all at once. So how I can do? Okay, so either I can simply click and rename one by one. Okay, or else what I can do, with this enabled, we can select all and press and hold shift and click right, and it will give us option as. Then we need to select rename with power rename. Okay, now let's say I want to replace all AV-sales with something. Okay, I will type here AV self-sales. So it will list out all the files that are present with that initials. Okay, now I want to replace it with, let's say, Nirbhay. I want to replace them with Nirbhay. So it will show like, first of all, it will be AV-self-sales and then invoice something. Okay, now it will replace by Nirbhay-invoice and then something. Now you want to, if you want to do for that extension also, we can do for that also. Currently we are doing for file only. Okay, now I need to click on apply. If I close this, now you can see all my files are renamed with, and it is starting them with Nirbhay-invoice. Fourth shortcut, that is awake. Suppose if you don't want your system to go in sleep mode frequently, okay, and you want your system to be awake infinitely, so how you can do that? So in PowerToys, make sure this awake feature is turned on. Okay, for this you need to go in your taskbar, click on this up arrow, and you need to click on this cup kind of icon that is named with PowerToys awake. So once you click on that, it will give you several options like keep awake on interval. Let's say if you want to keep your system awake for 1 hour or 2 hours, you can select that. Or if you want to make your system awake indefinitely, so you can select this. Okay, so now your system will never go in sleep mode by itself. Shortcut 5, that is crop and lock. Make sure to turn on this toggle to on to use this feature. Okay, suppose you are using notepads. Now you want a particular section of your Excel sheet only to be on your screen instead of the whole Excel screen. Okay, so how you can do that? So for that you need to hit Windows Ctrl Shift and T and select only the part that you want on your screen. Let's say I am selecting this first 2 columns only. So it will crop that part. Okay, now if I open my Excel notepad, so you can see now I only have this particular crop part of my Excel instead of the whole Excel sheet. So now I can use it and do whatever like I want to reference from it. Second, suppose instead of a normal cropped image, I want a screen that is also clickable also like this. Okay, so how I can do that? For that, you need to simply hit Windows, Ctrl, Shift and press R. Now, let's say I select this. Okay, so I have this window. Now you can see when I click, so it is clickable also. So I can copy also from here. I can copy or I can paste anything, like let's say I copied SR and I pasted SR here. So you can see it is like a editable window kind of. If you find this video helpful, you can simply like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubts, you can simply comment in the comment section. Till now, bye.